Hi everyone! Welcome to your first video project. My name is Miss Vargas and I will be teaching you art. For this project, we're going to be learning a little bit of art history because we're going to be diving into the 19th century to study Impressionist art. Landscape art is one of the most popular types of art there is. Many famous artists explored painting and drawing landscapes, especially in the 1900s, during one of the most important art movements called Impressionism. Impressionist art is a style in which the artist captures the image as someone would see it if they just got a glimpse of it. They paint pictures with a lot of color, very bright and vibrant, and most of the pictures are outdoor scenes. The thing is, Impressionist artists were not trying to paint a reflection of real life, but an impression of what the person, light, atmosphere, object, or landscape looked like to them. And that's why they're called Impressionists. They try to capture the movement and life of what they saw and show it to us as if it were happening before our eyes. It's kind of poetic if you think about it. So now that I got you inspired, let's go ahead and start making our impressionistic landscape using magazine paper. So let's gather up our color paper and our magazines and start looking for interesting, bright, and bold colors to use on your landscape. To make it easy, try to find greens and warm colors for the land and blue and other cool colors for the sky. Do you remember the color wheel? These half are warm colors. These other half are cool colors. Pause the video to make sure you got them right. Make sure the position of your paper is on landscape because we're doing a landscape, not portrait, landscape. Next, we're going to divide our paper in two using a horizontal line from side to side. This will be our horizon line. A horizon line divides the paper from the sky to the land. To give our collage a more interesting effect, instead of cutting with our scissors, we're going to use our hands to rip out the paper. Make long and nice strips of paper out of the colors that you're finding. Make sure you have enough to fill the whole paper. When you think you have enough colorful strips of paper, then we can begin gluing. I like to glue as I go and I start playing around with one piece and then glue it down, then bring a new piece, move it around, see if it fits, bring a third one, and so on. I will keep making these decisions as I go. This part of the project is very fun as you get to use your very artistic eye to make decisions. So trust your creative instincts. Once you're done filling out the part of the land, then go ahead and by using the same method, start filling out the sky. Start with bigger pieces and then make your way into filling the rest with smaller pieces out of the cool colors that you find in magazines. Once you're done with both the land and the sky, you can start adding little elements to make it look more like a landscape. It will depend on what you find in your own magazines. But remember this, it's not about luck, it's about creativity. I found a house and a bird, and I was actually looking for big trees and maybe flowers or a bear, and I didn't find anything like that. So I used what my magazines gave me and I went with it. I invite you to make the best out of what you have. If you want a little tip, I get my magazines from Zavers and Goodwill. They cost me cents. Yeah, you heard me right, cents. And they have a lot of good magazines like Nat Geo, for example, that has a lot of nature and animals on it. Another little tip for making collages is to save the bigger pieces that you have left over, pile them all together, and grab all of the little pieces that are too small to glue anywhere to throw them away. So you're going to separate them. You're going to make two piles, one of big pieces of paper and a small one. Then grab two pieces of paper and staple them together on three sides to create a pocket with an open side, kind of like a folder, to insert all of your pieces in there. And that is it, my friends. You have now created a beautiful Impressionist collage. Great job! Don't forget to take a picture and submit to Schoology. There is a video on the art course that explains how to take a best picture and how to upload your work to Schoology. I cannot wait to see your artwork. Bye!